Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. So, summer's upon us, and that equals lots of fresh food. And for us, our little tiny refrigerator just does not have enough space in it for all of the fresh food that we really want to carry on the truck and that we really want to enjoy. For too many years now, we've been going without. So I want to encourage you guys, stop going without and just make the accommodations you need and find a way around it. So we went ahead and got a cooler. So this is not an extra fridge. It does not turn into a freezer. So we're just solely using this pretty much between, I would say, May until September, October. And that's just for fresh produce season. So that's for things like a great big quart of strawberries and rhubarb. You can't forget the rhubarb for Scott's rhubarb strawberry treats. Some fresh peas. We got some spring onions, a cucumber, fresh spinach. We already had our salad. So the fresh salad was so good. It was straight from the farm, straight from the greenhouse fields. And so it was fresh lettuce. There was farmhouse goat cheese. There was radishes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and I made some gluten-free croutons. It was really yummy. And then I paired it with some garlic, lemon, honey vinaigrette. It was really good. I just made it out of my little cabinet because you guys know I have all my oils and vinegars over there. It was super simple. It was super filling. If you guys are going to eat a salad though, make sure you eat a salad, like a big portion of salad. We also put some chicken on there. Add your protein, but eat a really large salad. That way you're not just hungry in a couple hours. But I really encourage you eat farm fresh, and it's way cheaper. So like example, these peas were just a couple dollars, if that. The spinach was $3.25, so I can typically use this for 2 meals. By the time it cooks down, I'll cook it. I'm gonna make some steak and eggs. It's gonna be like an omelet or a frittata, but then I'm also going to do a shrimp cream over pasta. But yeah, guys, eat farm fresh food. Get out of the truck stops. Not just out of the truck stops, but get out of the grocery store. Eat real food. It's gonna save a ton of money. We eat so cheap. I just bought enough vegetables and fruits for the next 3 weeks, and it only cost me like $53. You guys, save your money and put it where it counts. You know, for us, that's paying off our house. I don't know what that looks like for you, but I encourage you. So how we bought this and how we saved money with this is I saved up my TA points. Another reason I love the TA is this was on sale for $1.99, and I just used the fuel points that we get, and yeah, it didn't cost me a thing. And now I can save money by getting fresh vegetables and fruit and put it in there. Yeah, I'm kind of sad I didn't do this sooner. Learn from me. Don't wait too long. Go ahead, get what you need, and start eating fresher. Your body and your mind and your wallet won't regret it. All right, guys, stay safe and eat well. Bye.